Hey there everyone, welcome to FJX 2000 Productions and another episode of Let's FJ. My name is Hayden, and in today's episode I'm actually going to be reviewing this product from AvalonKing. It's called the Armor Shield 9. It's a ceramic coating that you can put on your vehicles, and it's supposed to protect the paint, protect from scratches, just be an awesome product. So let's check it out. So as you can see behind me, I have my 2008 Toyota FJ Cruiser. It's iceberg white, which is a great color, I think, to show this on because my paint fades pretty quickly. One of the things about iceberg, the color on FJs, is there's not like a clear coat over it, or at least a very thin one. So mine is mostly worn away and my paint gets really faded very easily. You get sort of that sun bleaching effect where it almost feels like paper when you run your hand over it. Not very good. So I've been going through and cleaning the FJ using a clay bar and everything to get the paint really clean, prepping it before applying this product, the Armor Shield. It's been working out pretty well, so I wanted to show you the results and even show you me using it just a little bit to give you an idea of what this product is like. In the kit from Armor Shield, you get everything you need. You get gloves, you get the ceramic coating itself in this nice little bottle with a lockable cap. You get the sponge, which has the AvalonKing symbol on it. You get some of these microfiber cloths, and you get this really soft cloth. And basically the process is you put this on this microfiber towel and you put it with your sponge, you apply it on, very nice, you leave it for a few minutes, and then afterwards, after it's kind of dried for a few minutes, you wipe it off with your microfiber or whatever this really soft cloth, and it gives you a really nice shiny effect. So far I've done this side of the FJ, the passenger side, and the results are super awesome. Here, I forgot to buff out a spot right there. But check it out, it looks beautiful. You can see the reflection really well. There's another spot I had to get, but it just has turned out really good. And getting the clay bar has really helped get a lot of scuffs off the bottom of the door. But look at that reflection. You can see everything so well. And not only did I put it on the paint of the FJ to get that really nice shine, really high gloss effect, but I've even put it here on the plastic trim around the doors. I put it on the door handle. I put it on the mirror especially. And look at how pretty and clean and shiny that mirror has turned out. It did not look like this before. I'll show you the other side. Here you go, here's the other side. Look at that, it is just looking a bit sad. All the little micro scratches. This ceramic coating, this Armor Shield 9 has been super nice. I highly recommend it so far from the results I'm seeing. And even back here towards the back of the FJ, you can use it on these kinds of plastic trim pieces, and it is really cleaning up the look. I'll probably apply another coat to really make it better, but check out this side, how nice it looks versus the other side. And I'm gonna actually apply it to this side and you'll see the difference that it makes. All right, here we go. I'm gonna show you on camera how this works. Here we have our bottle of Armor Shield 9. I have popped open the little cap. I have my sponge set up already with the cloth on top of it. We're just gonna apply a few drops. That should be plenty. And now we can just take our little sponge and here we go. They talk about going both directions, up, down, kind of crisscrossing your patterns to really help it get everywhere. I think that's more applicable to the paint than it is this plastic trim, but look at how beautiful it's making that plastic trim. It is gorgeous now and just really helps make the FJ look like new, nice and fresh again. Like it's been great, and I've been putting it on the tail light. I did it on the tail light on the other side, and I'm just really liking the results of it. So I do recommend this product. Look at that plastic. You saw what it was before. It looks just so much better now. Even right here, look at that plastic. We'll wipe that on. Boom, amazing before and after. So yeah, I still have to do the driver's side here in just a little bit. Gonna clay bar it all and then really make sure I treat it with that armor shield. But you can see it's getting a little late, so I have to hurry. I'm gonna clay bar this side and then I'm also gonna treat it with the Armor Shield 9. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. If you want, I can give you an update in a few months to tell you how it's lasted. I'm just doing this at the beginning of the summer here in 2023. We'll see how it does throughout the summer months and have some trips planned. Gonna go do some off-roading, go do some fishing, all that kind of stuff. So if you want to see what it's like at the end of the summer, I can totally let you know. It's supposed to help with hydrophobic qualities, let the water run right off. It's supposed to really seal the paint and really just make it beautiful at the same time. So if you want to see a result afterwards, let me know. Again, this is from AvalonKing. It seems like a great product. This isn't sponsored or anything, so I don't have a cool link or anything to share, but just wanted to give my 2 cents on Armor Shield, and hopefully this helps you out. Like, subscribe, check out my FJ Cruiser videos if you want to learn more about FJ Cruisers. For subscribers to the channel, you know that I'm kind of the Wikipedia of FJs. So hopefully this video has helped you, and more FJ content coming out soon. Thank you guys.